क्या आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं? ओके, आप जनरली मिनिस्टर्स और उनके रोल्स को जानने के लिए इच्छुक हैं। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कैबिनेट ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स की। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द जस्टिस जंक्शन। आई होप यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट। In this video, we are going to discuss about Cabinet of Ministers. Cabinet of Ministers are the backbone of any government, entrusted with the duty to steer out nation toward progress, prosperity, and social harmony. So fasten your intellectual seatbelts and get ready to be inspired, informed, and enlightened about the incredible influence that Cabinet Ministers expert on the nation destiny. Let's begin our video into the world of cabinet ministers with the knowledge that as citizens as we hold the power to shape that future through our understanding and engagement in political process. सबसे पहले बात करेंगे who is the Prime Minister of India? A man who has left an indelible mark on the political landscape of India and has captured the imagination of millions across the nation and around the world. Mr. नरेंद्र मोदी, the 14th Prime Minister of India. नरेंद्र मोदी भारत के 14वें प्रधानमंत्री हैं और एक ऐसे राजनेता हैं जिनका सफर गरीबी से शुरू होकर उनके लोक नेतृत्व तक एक संकल्प और नेतृत्व की शक्ति का प्रमाण है। नरेंद्र मोदी assumed the role of Prime Minister in May 2014 and since then he has led the country with vision that blends modernity with traditions, development with inclusivity, and progress with rootedness. He is also the Minister of Atomic Energy, Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions, and Department of Space. ये तीनों डिपार्टमेंट माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी खुद संभालते हैं। And along with that, all important policy and issues and all other portfolios not allocated to any minister handled by the Mr. Narendra Modi. His leadership has been characterized by the commitment to economic reforms, infrastructure developments, and empowerment of masses. Now let's discuss another ministers who plays crucial part in our lives. Who is the Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation? Yes, Shri Amit Shah. Shri Amit Shah is the Minister of Home Affairs and Ministry of Cooperation. अब बात करेंगे अगले मिनिस्टर की। Who is the Minister of Defense? Shri Rajnath Singh. Shri Rajnath Singh is the Minister of Defense. Now we are going to discuss about who is the External Affairs Minister. Yes, Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. He is the Minister of External Affairs. Who is the Minister of Tribal Affairs? Arjun Munda. Arjun Munda is the Minister of Tribal Affairs. अब हम बात करेंगे Who is the Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports? Shri Anurag Singh Thakur is the Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Next, who is the Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs? Nirmala Sitharaman. She is the Minister of Ministry of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs. Next, who is the Minister of Jal Shakti? Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is the Minister of Ministry of Jal Shakti. Next, who is the Minister of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries? Mr. Purushottam Khodabhai Rupala is the Minister of Ministry of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. Next question is, who is the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs? Ministry of Coal, Ministry of Mines. Shri Prahlad Venkatesh Joshi is the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of Coal and Ministry of Mines. Next question is, who is the Minister of Heavy Industries? Mahendra Nath Pandey is the Minister of Heavy Industries. अब बात करते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की। Who is the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment? Virendra Kumar Kathik is the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Who is the Minister of Skill and Development and Entrepreneurship and Ministry of Education? Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. He is the Minister of Education as well as Ministry of Skill and Development and Entrepreneurship. Who is the Minister of Ministry of Minority Affairs and Ministry of Women and Child Development? Yes, Samriti Irani. He is the Minister of Minority Affairs and Ministry of Women and Child Development. Next question is, who is the Minister of Information Technology, Electronics, Ministry of Communication and Minister of Railways? Shri Ashwini Vaishnav is the Minister of Railways, Ministry of Communication and Ministry of Electronics, as well as Ministry of Information Technology. Next question is, who is the Minister of Commerce and Industry and who is the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Ministry of Textile? Yes, Shri Piyush Goyal is the Minister of Commerce and Industry and Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, also Textile. Next question is, who is the Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises? Shri Narayan Tattu Rane is the Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. अब बात करते हैं अगले मिनिस्टर की. Who is the Minister of Ports, Shipping, Waterways and who is the Minister of Ayush? Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy, Ayush. Shri Sabrabanda Sonowal. My next question is, who is the Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayati Raj? Yes, Shri Giriraj Singh is the Minister of Rural Development and Ministry of Panchayati Raj. अब बात करेंगे अगले क्वेश्चन की. Who is the Minister of Civil Aviation and Ministry of Steel? Shri Jyotiraditya M. Scindia is the Minister of Civil Aviation and Ministry of Steel. Next, who is the Minister of Food Processing Industry? Shri Pashupatinath Paras is the Minister of Food Processing Industry. Now, who is the Minister of Earth Science? Yes, Shri Kiran Rijiju is the Minister of Earth Science. Next, who is the Minister of Power and Minister of New and Renewable Energy? Yes, Shri Rajkumar Singh is the Minister of Power and Minister of New and Renewable Energy. Who is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas? And who is the Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs? Shri Hardeep Singh Puri is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. अब चलते हैं दूसरे क्वेश्चन पे. Who is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers? Shri Mankush L. Mandavia is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers. Next question is, who is the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Minister of Labour and Employment? Shri Bhupender Yadav is the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, also Minister of Labour and Employment. Next, who is the Minister of Culture, Tourism and Minister of Development of North Eastern Region? Shri G. Kishan Reddy. He is the Minister of Tourism, Minister of Culture and Minister of Development of North Eastern Region. In conclusion, as we wrap up the exploration of the roles and responsibilities of cabinet ministers, it is evident that these individuals are the driving force behind the functioning of our government. Thank you for your attention, and may our understanding of the vital aspect of governance empower us as informed and responsible citizens. If you like my video, then please give me a comment in comment box and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Goodbye.